Hi everybody, it's John D from John DTV, and I'm excited to say that we are starting another house follow where we start on day one of a house build and take it all the way to the end. We take you all the way to the end. We did one about 8 years ago, and there's been some minor changes. So today we wanted to come out to our Quaker Hill community. It's in Robinson Township in Pennsylvania, just outside of the city center of Morgantown, and we're starting a new home here. This is lot 23. You can see our excavator out there, Ernie Martin. He's the greatest. And he's digging actually right now a detached garage. So that's kind of why he's behind this area. It may be hard to see the footprint of this home. He has it all dug and prepped for footers, but because of the landscape of the earth and the way the ground slopes down, it's kind of hard to see the steps that we have dug in there. We don't necessarily have a complete hole dug into the ground. And what we're going to do is we're going to come back tomorrow and we're going to watch those guys put those footers in. One of the things that Ernie has to do when he gets here is he has to take our plot plan. Every home comes with a plot plan, and we call out the top of wall elevation on here. And so what he does is he finds this benchmark. We have a little star that shows right in the middle where the driveway is going to be. He shoots that elevation, and then according to this plot plan, the top of the wall is supposed to set 4 feet 6 inches above that benchmark right in the middle of where the driveway is going. So he measures down from there 9 feet down for 9-foot basement walls, and then he adds on 6 inches to bottom a footer, and that's where he scratches the dirt down to. So again, this is tough to see here because of the landscape of the ground here, but once we get the walls in and we get everything backfilled, you'll have a better feel of what it's going to look like. So we're excited to get started. We're going to see you guys tomorrow to look at those footers. And hopefully we can show you some of the great views around here in Quaker Hill. It's a beautiful community, and I look forward to talking to you guys tomorrow. Have a great day.